Pepe coin just made an all-time high. This is absolutely crazy as the AMC GameStop short squeeze is happening. Yesterday, Roaring Kitty came out, the guy that started this whole GameStop AMC short squeeze years ago. He's come out of hibernation. This guy here who hadn't tweeted for several years, and now he's starting to tweet again. This was his first tweet yesterday, which kind of pumped the crypto markets, and it's actually having an effect on Pepe. This guy got 24 million views. Look, the previous post was June 18th, 2021. Looks like he was cuddling, sleeping. Like, that's kind of like the meme of the cat. His name is Roaring Kitty, by the way. But if you take a look at AMC, GameStop, it's going absolutely crazy. So GameStop was just $10. It just hit $6. So it's 6x there. We take a look at Pepe. Pepe is breaking all-time highs. What is the future for Pepe? And where is Pepe likely headed? So in this video, we're going to be talking about it. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, that you stick around to the end of this video. So after any massive or significant pump, we must always, especially Pepe has just pumped up 200%, while cryptos are quite bearish compared to Pepe. I mean, look at Bitcoin here. It is struggling to bounce. We got some Coinbase news last night that Coinbase shut down. So the middle of the night, 2 a.m. Eastern, my time, Bitcoin dumped, Ethereum dumped. I mean, everything is just kind of dumping except Pepe. Pepe is continuing to push higher. And the strength of Pepe is uncomparable. It is very strong and it can go way up from here. But if you are in Pepe from earlier, much early, at a big discount and you are in profits, you should probably consider trimming some profits. But what's going to happen with Pepe? Well, here is a key resistance level for Pepe. This previous high here that we had in March, which is quad 0, 10, 85, a whole bunch of zeros. And this is our current resistance. So we are getting some rejection here now. If Pepe ends up breaking out of this resistance and we start holding above here, we might get another leg this week or sometime very, very soon for Pepe, or honestly, whenever this happened. Given the current conditions of the market, we have CPI. It's a very volatile week, so there's going to be a lot of chop for the rest of cryptocurrencies. But if Pepe can manage to break above this resistance and hold above, we're probably going to get another leg higher. If Pepe continues to reject this level and fails to break above and hold above resistance, we might end up getting a move down to this support here, which is about a 60% drop. This is going to be the key level, potentially even for the long term, where you are going to want to accumulate or buy Pepe at this level. And of course, if we break and hold under this support, we will probably test that previous support. But I think that this could be a generational entry for the future, for like the long term, if we end up getting this 60% drop to this support. But in the short term, any type of pullback or correction is going to come to these next key supports, which we can see as they are the lows, the previous lows. These are going to be the supports. So we will probably come down, test this, maybe pump up a little bit. But the key thing that we want to watch for, what do we do here? Do we want to buy Pepe at these prices? No, I personally wouldn't recommend buying Pepe at these prices. If we end up breaking up here, we're probably going to get that move up. I personally would not touch any crypto that has pumped up massively. Always wait for a pullback or correction for cryptos, because they will always come. I don't care how bullish they are, how strong the crypto is. If we take a look at Dogecoin, look at this. Huge correction every single time. It's an example. It's a meme coin. No matter how bullish Pepe is right now, and it is pretty much the most bullish cryptocurrency ever, especially this year, I would imagine that you are going to get your correction. You're going to get your pullback at some point in the next couple of months, maybe a lot sooner than that, because the crypto market is quite bearish. It is the summer months though, so cryptos are not moving too strong, and they are definitely not pumping very big as they were the past couple of months, which is completely normal and fine after we've been pumping for for the majority of last year and the beginning of this year. So any type of pullback to these supports could be a little buying opportunities for you. But I think ultimately, if we are patient, we might be able to get this level here to buy, which is 50400. We might be able to get somewhere near this level, which will be from our current position or from the previous top here, about a 50 to 60% correction. When it comes to altcoins, you want to be patient and wait for 30, 40, 50 to 60% corrections in a bull market. These are going to be your optimal entries for the future. So if you are not holding Pepe, you want to get exposed to Pepe, I would earnestly advise you, although it's not financial advice, it's just my own opinion. I'm kind of advising myself, speaking to myself, wait for a pullback, wait for a dip. But this thing is really strong. It is very bullish. And if Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market continues to pull back, I'm thinking that Pepe will probably pull back. But there is a very strong chance for Bitcoin and cryptos not to pull back, but actually to make a very big move to the upside here soon. So Bitcoin is holding this support, which is bullish. We also have the dollar, which is now beginning to correct and crash off the recent data. This is information that we want to see that's going to be bullish. That's going to be an indication that we are probably going to get a move up in the short term here. As well, if we take a look at the stock market, despite the recent bearish data, it is green on the day. It's holding up strong. And tomorrow we have CPI, which is going to be a very big event, going to be determining where cryptos are going to be headed. So if cryptos end up pushing up, I think Pepe could get continuation. Despite we are getting a little bit of a pullback now, I think Pepe could get its next leg up if cryptos stop crashing and they actually push up from here within the next few weeks. Make sure you guys are in my Patreon where I'm posting buy and sell alerts for cryptos. We're making insane profits every single week, guaranteed. As well, use Algosniper. This thing told you to buy Pepe. Look at this. Before these big pumps even took place. Right here, you got a big buy in Pepe, pumped up 67%. You got another one here, total pump 115%. As well, it called the very bottom of this entire bull market for Pepe, all the way down here. You guys can try Algosniper today for $1 at algosniper.com. And if you guys want to be trading cryptos, I recommend that you guys trade over on Bluefin, where they're giving away $7,000 in deposit bonuses for people that use my link below, special discounts, and you can trade cryptos up to 150x leverage. It's where I'm personally making thousands of dollars every single week. That's going to be it for this video. So if you guys get something out of the video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on. I'll see you later.